there's water. So much crap in here already. We got bottles of wine. Yeah. So the people at Paul's Bow RV gave us a bottle of wine as a congratulations. So, yep, we'll pop this open on our maiden voyage. I do not.
Okay, no.
Can't be without your drainer for your sink. I am so thankful for so much drawer space. Lots and lots of drawer space. So I want to bring you guys in a little closer because I just want you to see up close. Does that help? Yes. My cutting board. Look how big my sink is. Love this sink. Love it. And look. You hear that water pump? Loud. Things you have to get used to with life on the road. All right. Our little 2-burner propane. Propane's not on, otherwise I would spark it up. But my favorite, oh my goodness. Look how big this fridge is. Because one thing I said, I will not have a dorm size refrigerator. Because you cook a lot when you're camping. You do. So pretty good size fridge because that's kind of what we got in the apartment right now. So, yeah. Y'all's gonna be full. Remember this now. And then up here, we're gonna take this panel out right here. We're gonna pop this out of there so it's open and my short butt can fit it. But yeah, because there's a lot of storage back there. Who the hell can reach that? Huh? Who can reach that? What is that? Yep, don't be anything. Microwave. And then, of course, the bathroom, shower, which will be shower and storage. But look, we actually have a lot of storage. Because, again, look at all the storage in the bathroom. So, but yeah, we got a lot. Potty. Storage. Again, they give you lots of storage for in this 23-foot trailer. And of course our bed, because I need a bed, she needs a couch. I need the bed, she needs the couch. So it'll work out. Super excited. So at this point, it's time to get started and decorating and filling this place up. I'll be right back. Our fun handy dandy map to go on, I don't know, probably the outside, the door. I don't know. We'll stick it somewhere, but super excited. Now we feel like we're real RVers. Yeah, so we got that. All right. I gotta get to decorating. Unpacking. Yep, guess we're done advertising. Sold, because it is. Bam. Done. Got to make a pile for the stuff that's going down below.